Hello everybody, my name is Shruti. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how exactly I take care of my skin and my hair to get the festival ready. If you are somebody who have been ignoring your skincare and hair care for the longest time, then this is your sign that you should stop whatever you're doing right now and just get started and follow along this video in order to get the healthy looking glowing skin and also healthy looking hair. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about how I get rid of my tanning from the face and also how I fixed my hair, which was looking like this into this. If you're somebody who are interested in such topic, then please make sure you watch this video till the end. I make dedicated video on skincare, hair care, fashion hauls, vlogs and life related videos. So if you are somebody who are interested in such topic, then please make sure you give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. To start with the skincare for this festival season, I've already shaved my face and got rid of the dead skin that was accumulated on my face. If you're interested in watching that video, I will be leaving the link for that video in the description. Please make sure you guys check that video too. And to detan my face, please go ahead and follow along this video.
So to prepare this mask, I have got my bowl and my spoon over here. I got this cute bowl and spoon from the app called Smitten, and I got these things for free. Tap on the link below to know how I get the products for free and anybody can buy them. Take 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Add a pinch of turmeric in it. Half a tablespoon of honey. Half a tablespoon of lemon. And 2 spoons of curd in it. Mix them well to get a paste-like consistency. So there you go, our detan mask is now ready. I love to apply this mask with my fingers only. If you're somebody who is scared of getting turmeric stain on your nail, then make sure you guys wear gloves. I'm gonna apply this mask all over my face and leave it for 10 minutes. Now that my mask is dried, I'm going to apply a raw milk on my face. For that, I have taken a cotton over here and dipped it in the milk and slowly tapping that on my face in order to wet my mask again. The idea behind this process is I just want that tanning to melt over my face and just come out easily so that I have a best effect of this mask. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna wait 10 more minutes for this mask to dry. And once it is dried, I'm gonna wash it with the normal water. There you go. This is how my skin is looking, completely flawless and glowy.
Ta-da! So that's how my face looks after using this pack for once only, and I love the result. It has not only helped me to get rid of the tanning, it has also restored the moisture onto my skin and gave me the glow that I'm looking for this festival season. If you're somebody who have been suffering with lots of tanning, then please use this remedy twice a week in order to get the best out of it. And please make sure do not overdo this process. Just doing it twice a week would help you and get you the best result. This pack has not only taken off my tan but also gave me a very good confidence and the glow and moisturized my skin so well that I can really go outside anywhere and shoot a video like this that I can post across. Of course, I'm really comfortable to go anywhere with the same bare face. I'm just so happy with this pack. So I got this beautiful texture skin. Now I got to make sure I take care of it and lock the moisture within. And to look after my skin and lock the moisture, I have to make sure that I use really good skincare on my face. So to retain that, I'm gonna go ahead and use Vitamin C Cream by L'Oreal Organo. It has vitamin C, chloric acid and glutathione in it, and love the fact it has SPF 30 as well. And now my skin is protected in order to go outside and explore the sun. The link for this particular product is there in the description, so please make sure you check out this product if you're somebody looking for a very good vitamin C product, and just go for this. Hey guys, so this is how exactly my hair was looking before filming that video you just saw, and now I will tell you how exactly I am gonna restore the healthy looking hair back to myself. if you know me or been following me on Instagram, then you would know that I was doing 9 days Navratri series, and result of using a lot of heat products onto the hair, this is what it caused. My hair looks very damaged, my hair feels very dry, and also I am having a little hair loss. Of course, I've been using lots of products on my hair continuously for 9 straight days because I did not pre-film the video. Usually I try and pre-film the video, but this time I couldn't, and the mess is in front of you already, and now I'm going to tell you how exactly I repaired my hair in order to look that amazing you just saw in that video. If you want to really pamper your hair and take care of them in a really long run, then please make sure that you do not use something which has sulfate and paraben. These are the ingredients which really cause harm to your hair, so please try and avoid them to the maximum. And if you don't know which oil to go ahead, then I'm going to recommend one right now. So I'm talking about the Law Organo oil. This is the Moroccan Organ Oil, which is enriched with vitamin E and also blended with 100% essential oil. It has no sulfate, no paraben, and it leaves your hair completely moisturized. It locks the moisture inside and it strengthens your hair and gives you the very shining and healthy looking hair. I've been using this product almost from 2.5 months and loving the results. Of course, I'll be showing you the before picture and after picture so that you know what exactly I'm talking about. Smells amazing. I'm just going to rub it onto my palm and warm the product before I apply it on my scalp.
Law Organo is an Indian skincare and hair care brand which has a face, body, hair care products along with the hand sanitizer. This oil feels very weightless onto the scalp, and it doesn't give the greasy look or even greasy feeling. I love to keep it overnight, and I'm here braiding my hair so that I get the even nourishment onto my hair. I'm just gonna keep it overnight and wash it the next day. And to wash away this oil and to repair my hair, I'm using Law Organo shampoo with Moroccan Organ oil derivatives, herbal extract of Bringraj, Rita, Shigakai and hibiscus in it, which claims to repair the split ends, restore the shine and leaves your hair feeling silky and smooth. And as I mentioned you guys, this shampoo has no paraben and no sulfate in it, and I'm so happy with this product.
That's how I got rid of my tanning and also fixed my hair into healthy looking hair. If you're somebody who's been thinking of investing in your skincare and hair care, then I would highly recommend you guys the Law Organo products. These are really amazing, guys. Link for these products will be there in the description. Please make sure you guys check out the description as well. And thank you so much Law Organo for sending these products to me. I'm really loving the moment I got hands over these. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really like it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and please comment down a red heart so that I get to know that you guys are loving these kind of videos. Tell me how is your festival season going, and also subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. This is me, Shruti Siling, signing off as of now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, sanitize, double mask, take care.